So these rooms get cold. Supply, supply, supply. This room also gets cold even though the sun's hitting it. Supply, supply. Supply. These are fresh. There's a return. We have a supply. Another supply. Here's entering the master bedroom, which doesn't get cold. This is master bathroom. We have a supply there. Supply there. Shower, closet. Okay. We have closet with no supply. Closet with no supply. We have this, which seems to be a return. It's at 89 degrees, there's no air. And now we have this whole space. Over here. $93 degrees. 94. So those two must be returns. And then we have this. This is a supply for sure because you can feel the air coming out. 75 degrees. The central units are, this is the third floor. They're down on the first floor. This whole upstairs area recorded shares one system, 3 different zones. The other rooms have the supplies on the floor, which, you know, air goes there first and it does come out, and those are cooling. Here it's up in the ceiling, so it has to go up another story, and this is the only supply, the only one in this whole room. So either try a duct blaster, which might not work, or this whole section on this side needs its own system.